Some of the classic car auctions are a great way to find a really cool car, maybe get a great deal on one, and have the experience of a tremendous car show at some of the big auctions. But that's also one of the downfalls, because if you buy a car at auction, you rarely get a chance to drive it and experience it before you buy it, which can lead to maybe afterwards finding out this car isn't exactly what you had in mind. What do you do in that case, right? Well, you can always call us, because we've done this many, many times with people who have purchased cars at the big auctions and for whatever reason found out that it needed a little more attention or modifications to make it as fun as they really wanted it to be. Kind of two interesting stories. One is this 1957 Thunderbird. This came through the Mecum auction, and it's a factory 312 E-code car. And this customer really wants this to be concours-correct under the hood. And this one is pretty close, but it wasn't quite there. So it came to our shop to have some of these little details taken care of. It's got some extra chrome pieces on it and things that we're gonna take off and put the original stuff back on. Another great example, ironically, was another 57 Thunderbird, a black car. Gal bought it at the Mecum auction. Her dad had one, and she said, I want to recapture those memories of driving that cool 57 Thunderbird with my dad. Except for the fact that she'd never driven one, and she loved the way it looked, bought it at the auction, got it home, drove it, and hated it. So it came here where we took the body off the chassis, we put a whole high-performance chassis under the car, a Coyote motor, a 6-speed transmission, put it all back together with air conditioning and other creature comforts, and now she drives that thing like crazy. So just because you bought a car at an auction doesn't mean that that's the end of the story. We're happy to talk about, hey, this car was almost everything I wanted, but maybe a little maintenance, or maybe I don't want this car anymore and I'm gonna prepare it for an auction. And can you take care of a few things so that I can resell it? You know, these cars have lives that go many, many owners sometimes. If you need help, we're here for you. V8speedshop.com, and we're looking forward to talking to you about your next prized possession, either from an auction or an heirloom, doesn't matter.